In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add drift up moving animated text on your CapCut video. So if you want to do so, you can either add it to the whole video or a section of the video. So if you want just to add a section, just go ahead and split it and then select the section you want to add. And the first thing you have to add the text. So I'll go ahead and select text. Then here I'll write my dancing text. Just use that. For example, I'll again style it maybe to this, and that is better. So that's the text that you want to drift up. I'd like this to be applied almost on the whole clip, say up to here. So we have it. So you want this text to drift up or move up. To do so, go ahead and select on text. Then choose the option called animation, which is this. So if we tap on it, now from here, choose the option called loop. It is here. Now under loop, look for drift up. And you can also see a variety of other styles that are available for you. Now here you can see we have drift up option, which is this. Unfortunately, it is a pro version. So if you select it, you can see the text now drifts while the video is playing. So you need to have a pro account for you to be able to use this drifting up text. You can also go ahead and adjust the speed. If you want it much slower, you can move it like this and it will be moving much slower. If you want it to move much faster, you can adjust it to faster and it will take the shortest time possible to move, and look at that. So that's how you add moving text or drifting text in your shortcut videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.